गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। लास्ट वीडियो में हम बात कर रहे थे एनिमल टिश्यूज़ के बारे में। एनिमल टिश्यूज़ में एपिथेलियल टिश्यूज़ हमने कर लिया था। अब हम करेंगे मस्कुलर टिश्यूज़। एज द नेम सजेस्ट हियर, मस्कुलर टिश्यूज़। मस्कुलर मीन्स it related to muscles, means these tissues are responsible for the movement, any kind of movement here. They having fiber like structure, fiber like structures, so they are also called as fibrous muscular tissues. Fibrous muscular tissues here. Next, they are up now on the basis of their position and their functioning, they are further classified as first striated muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. First, striated muscles. This type of muscles having alternative bands. They having alternative bands. Uh, These bands are known as dark band and light band. Dark band means, as the color suggests, the name suggests here, that the dark band means having a dark in color and light band having a light in color as compared to dark. Next, these muscles are directly attached to the bones. So if they are attached to the bones, so they are responsible for the movement. Or when they are responsible for the movement, so they are voluntary muscles. Students, voluntary means here which work with our wills, जो हमारी इच्छा से काम करें, which are in our control, which are the control or willpower, both are working here. They are under control of our will. Okay. They are about 50% of body weight. the flesh of animal body is formed of striated muscles. Now is location, where they are located. Now these muscles are mainly present in body, walls, face, neck, tongue, diaphragm, esophagus like structures. Next of all, what about now their functions? They undergo rapid contraction, next they provide voluntary action, and the next one they get tired and need rest here. So what we have to do in this? First of all, muscles, muscular tissues which are made up of muscle fibers, we can say. They are also present in a heart and different part of body like diaphragm with bones. So such kind of fiber like structure are called as muscular tissues. They are of three types: stratified muscle or striated muscles, smooth muscles, cardiac muscles. Striated muscles having alternate bands, that's a dark band and a light band, that's why they are known as striated muscles. These bands are just to be like that when they are seen under microscope. These bands are so this portion is seen as to be a dark. This portion also seen as to be a dark, and this one are lighter bands. So they are showing a dark and a light band here because one band to overlap with the other band. In detail study, you will do it in a class 11th as a locomotion and movement chapter. The muscle are directly attached to the bones for their movement. So that's why if they are attached with the bones, so they are voluntary actionary muscles. Means they under control of our wills. They are covered 50% of the body weight all over. The flesh of animal body is form of striated muscles here. Now the location on a body wall, face, neck, tongue, diaphragm, and esophagus, they are located. Functions: they undergo rapid contraction, they provide voluntary actions, and they get tired when continuous work done. So they need to be a rest here. Now the next one is the smooth muscles. B part. They are known as unstripped. Unstripped means they have no dark and light bands. Unstripped or non striated muscles. Unstripped means have not dark and light bands. So they haven't dark and light bands here. Their contraction is not under control of our wills, means they are involuntary action means they are not controlled or they are not stabilized work with our wills or our uh, brain control. These muscles are found in the wall of visceral organs. So they are known as visceral muscles. Also, visceral organ means all soft organs or all organs having this kind of muscle which are not controlled by our wills. For example, lungs, kidneys. Visceral organ means lungs, kidney, liver, like organ having a such kind of muscles. They are not controlled by our wills. They haven't dark and light bands. The location. Found in the wall of hollow and tubular visceral organs, as we have discussed, like such kind of organs like alimentary canal, urinary bladder, blood vessels, bronchi, etc. Their functions. Smooth muscle create peristaltic movement. Guys, peristaltic movement here, which is distinct or defined as the movement by which food entered or mixed with digestive enzymes or other kind of factors here. They for sphincters. Sphincters means muscular walls, and they are not to be proper walls, but they work as a walls which are responsible for opening and closing of apertures. Next, they control amount of light in eyes, means we can say they are also present in iris of eye and sphincters. So what we have to do, smooth muscles, they are known as unstripped or unstratified muscles, means they haven't light and dark band. Their contraction is not under control or our wills. They are not to be do with our wills. These muscles are found in the wall of visceral organs, so they are known as visceral muscles also. Location found in the wall of hollow tubular vessels. All hollow tubular vessels in our body having smooth muscles like alimentary canal, urinary bladder, blood vessels, bones, iris, sphincter, like functions. They create peristaltic movement. Guys, peristaltic movements means in esophagus when we have talked, they having such kind of walls here. So they start to above and smoother down, then start such kind of movement by which food entered in this portion, then this start to shrink here. Food entered downward. When food enter downward, then this portion shrink and this become initial position, just to be a wave like structure here. They control amount of light in eyes. They also help in a focus and lightening of eyes from surroundings. Guys, next one is cardiac muscles. As the name suggested here, cardiac muscles means they are present in heart portion or heart cells. They form heart cells. They show the characteristic of both smooth and striated muscles. They are found in branch fibers, means having branches here, and form a network to joint itself, and they form a fiber like structure, like net like structure here. They having strip strip bands means having dark and light bands. Their space filled with abundant loss wait. Their intercellular or intermuscular space filled they having connective tissues like blood vessels. Location these cells are present in heart only. Function rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart are due to the cardiac muscles. Also, they pump blood from heart to blood vessels means arteries and veins. So in a cardiac muscle, what we have to do? Cardiac muscles show a characteristic of both smooth and stratified muscles. They are formed in a branch fibers and are formed in a network to joint itself. They having strip like dark band and a lighter bands. The intercellular space filled. They having connective tissues and a high amount of they having mitochondria because they need to be energy for their rhythmic action. They form a rhythmicity means contraction and relaxation in the heart. They pump blood from heart to blood vessels. Now here we just completed muscular tissues. In our next video we will do connective tissues in detail.